Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with ClickBank to promote digital products, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ClickBank website at www.clickbank.com. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated field. Make sure your credentials are correct before proceeding. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the ClickBank dashboard. From here, locate the Marketplace tab in the top menu. Click on the Marketplace tab to explore available digital products. Use the search bar or browse categories to find products that interest you. Evaluate the products by checking their sales pages and affiliate information. Select a product you wish to promote. On the product page, click the Promote button to generate your affiliate link. Fill in any required fields, such as your ClickBank account nickname. Click Create Hoplink to generate a unique affiliate link for the product. Copy this link, as you will use it to promote the product. Now, you can share your affiliate link through various platforms, such as social media or your website. Monitor your sales and commissions from the dashboard to track your performance. Stay updated with ClickBank's policies to ensure compliance while promoting products. Continue to explore new products and refine your marketing strategies for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.